4 months after its global debut in Indonesia, the 2022 Mitsubishi Xpander Facelift has now been unveiled in Thailand at the 2022 Bangkok International Motor Show. In terms of design changes, the latest Xpander boasts a new dynamic shield front fascia featuring redesigned LED position lights, a new intake and grille setup, as well as main T-shaped headlamps. Circular fog lamps are also better integrated into the bottom apron, and they also have body color trim surround. Other items include a reprofiled tailgate with new LED combination lights combined with a new rear bumper. These changes result in a front overhang increased by 75 mm at the front and 45 mm at the rear. The ride height is set to remain a class best 220 mm. Moving towards the interior, and the dashboard has been redesigned to feature a horizontal design theme. The steering wheel is also new, and so are the door panels that now feature synthetic leather and real stitching for a more premium feel. Elsewhere, the interior also benefits from an electronic parking brake with auto hold on higher variants, new USB-A and USB-C ports at the rear, a new gauge cluster design, and digital aircon controls. Mitsubishi also tweaked the 2022 Xpander's chassis. For the suspension, the rigidity of the front strut mounting part is removed and the cylinder size of the rear shock absorber is expanded, while high-performance valves are newly adopted at both the front and rear to provide a smooth and comfortable ride. However, the most important update on the 2022 Mitsubishi Xpander is actually underneath the hood. Gone is the old 4-speed automatic, and in its place is a new and significantly more modern CVT gearbox, which, in addition to better fuel efficiency, also promises better comfort due to lower engine noise thanks to its low running RPM at highway speeds. The engine, meanwhile, is unchanged, with the 1.5-litre inline-4 still dishing out 105 horsepower and 141 Nm of torque, although it has been fitted with a new external exhaust gas recirculation EGR system to further help with fuel efficiency.